Hi everybody, CannaBeard Grows here. How you doing? I'm in this kind of shitty unfinished section of my basement here with a brand new box. This episode is brought to you in part by, well, VIVOSUN. I'm going to have a discount code at the end of this episode for you guys for all VIVOSUN products. That's right, I worked my little magic and I got us a discount code for all of VIVOSUN. So stay tuned to the end for that. But in the meantime, let's take a look at this box and what the heck happened here. As much as I thank VIVOSUN very much, thank you VIVOSUN, I do have a bone to pick with Perlator Courier. Go f*** yourself, Perlator. You delivered this package to my door in this condition and you ran away from my house. Your delivery driver, I watched it on, I'm going to see if I can find it on, my security camera. I will post it right here of the delivery driver running away and not even ringing the doorbell because they're ashamed of the damage that they caused. So shame on you. Shame on you. Whatever. It looks like the what's inside this box is okay still. So let's find out. Let's get into this box and set it up. I'm gonna come over here and set up a little time-lapse thing. See what happens. Well, there we go. That took a bit of effort. I put the top on backwards and had to flip it around. And as you can see here, let me pull it this way. It hits my furnace ducting here. It's just a friggin' inch higher than my furnace ducting, so I can only shuffle it a little bit in this zone. I couldn't quite turn it around. I had to drop the roof, move everything around, and then raise the roof back up again. But it fits, and holy crap, does it fit like a glove. She's a beaut here. Let's have a look inside. I'm actually really impressed with the sheer size of this thing. It doesn't look so big, but I mean, I can stand up completely in here. Here, let me turn it around here. Yeah, see, check it out. Oh God, I'm all sweaty from setting this thing up. Ugh, pardon me. Yeah, so it's got 3 big vents on this side. It's got 2 vents on this side. So if you're running like a, what is it, metal halide or whatever, like a big hot bulb or something in the center of this tent like this, you can run straight through air. It's got a side panel. I honestly wish the side panel was in the back rather than in the side, or that it at least had maybe 2 sides. The fact that the only access is the side is a little weird, even though it's funny enough, that's actually probably the only side that I could access it from, because this is a wall and this is a wall, but just from a design perspective. It's got these bracers in here. I like this tent. This tent is awesome. So what are you using this tent for, CannaBeard, you might ask? I'm using this tent as a drying space. Let me show you. This is what I plan on using it for. A drying tent. I can hook up a carbon filter easily to this tent, and I can actually dry a lot of cannabis in this tent. I had a 3x3 drying tent for a little while, but it was just a little bit inadequate, a little too small. I found myself, if I had any reasonable sized harvest, I found myself just straight up drying it from the rafters of my basement in the open air, which proved to, well, stink up my whole house. So I needed something a little bit bigger. This tent, however, is pretty magically large, and still manages to fit barely within my weird basement. So if you need a short tent that is pretty friggin' big, this guy right here is an option. I will leave a link to this tent below, as well as the discount code that I promised. Here it is, folks. Here's the discount code right here. Bam! So there you go. CannaBeard Grows hooked you up once again with discount codes for everything VIVOSUN, using the links below. Check it out. Check it out. In the future, this is where I'm going to be drying all my cannabis in this beautiful, beautiful tent. I'll have I'll hook up like I said, a carbon filter and a fan and stuff at a later date. I don't have a current harvest ready to dry. I'm all dried at the moment, but soon enough, my friends, soon enough. Don't forget to like the video if you do enjoy this kind of content. Subscribe, all that kind of action, and I'll see you on the next live stream. Cheers, folks.